Stand by for action.
Good afternoon everybody, welcome to some more Tales from the Bike Shed. It's Sunday the 10th of March and what have we got going on today, Andy boy? Well, I am going to tell you, motorcyclists. First thing, I was going to go riding the bike, the Orbea, yesterday, but the weather was a bit so I erred on not doing it. Turned out quite well actually, because my partner Jackie was going to do some decorating, so I was able to give her a hand doing that. I'd have been gutted otherwise if I'd have come back from gallivanting, having a good time on my bike, to see her decorating on her own. So yeah, I am a gentleman at heart. So hopefully next Saturday, well, I'm definitely going to get out. Decorating's done, so that'll be good. Right, what have we got going on today then, Andy boy? Right, I'm going to show you some new stuff which I've bought. First one being, I've bought a basket for the front mudguard. I've always wanted a front basket. I've been looking around for one, and yeah, you just seem to get stuff for sale, decent stuff. Well, start again. The stuff I've seen isn't very good, and it's too big or whatever, blah de blah de blah. So I bought a front rack off eBay from the UK, but I did want like a proper Honda one, but they're bloody very expensive, and you can only seem to get them in Thailand for like 30 odd quid, and then the shipping's going to be 30 odd quid, and I'm not going to spend that. Anyway, so I bought a cheapie front rack from eBay, which has already started to rust. So I wanted a rack, a basket to go on that. Looked at a few on eBay, couldn't find any. Anyway, last week, I stumbled upon one, did the measurements, ordered it, 11 quid delivered, or just over 11, call it 12 quid delivered. Arrived yesterday, Friday even, no, Saturday, and yeah, very happy with it. And this is the basket now. Right, so there's the basket. It's obviously from China, because when they're describing it, it's iron, and the description, I'll send you the link I'll put the link and I'll show a picture of it in the video coming up now. Comes with some mounting bolts there on a plate. Although it's metal, it's very lightweight, even though they say it's iron, very lightweight. Now, the thing which really excites me about this is this. So, that doesn't excite me. That's the front rack from eBay. And as you can see, I'm already getting patina, as they call it. It's already starting to bloody rust. But the good thing about this basket, excuse me if I just put that down, because I was thinking of how to mount it, and I tried it just now. And if you look at this, it's as if this basket was made for this rack. It fits perfectly on there. Absolutely perfect. Now what would make it even perfecter was if they supplied a metal backing plate to go behind there, which I could fasten it on. But I'm going to make something out of plastic. I'm going to take some measurements of this. But in the meantime, I'm just going to cable tie it on, put a bit of inner tube, just a bit of packing, and then cable tie it on. But yeah, that's what it'll look like. Well trendy. I'm well chuffed with that. Really am. Coming at a different angle. There we go. Happy days, boys and girls. Right, the next thing I've done is this. Right, I'm not sure if you've noticed this, some of the videos, mainly the motorcycle videos. It goes a bit fuzzy around the edges of on some occasions, and that's because of the condensation inside. Now what I found was the lens cover, there's a bit of a gap because it's an aftermarket one, and it didn't seal properly, so obviously there's a bit of a temperature difference. It was caused a bit of condensation inside. So I took the camera home, took the lens cover off, let it all dry out and get it nice and warm, fitted the cover back on, and then sealed it with a bit of electrical tape. So hopefully we won't get the condensation which causes the video footage to go fuzzy. So we'll see how it goes. And what else have I got going? Something else. I'm sure there was something else I was going to do today. We've got the basket. Oh yes! It's the main event actually. I bought a jacket. I have bought myself a motorcycle jacket, although because the all-in-one thing was good, but it's a bit of a pain in the backside trying to get stuff out. Once you zip it up, it's, oh, I forgot something. Anyway, no pockets. So I've bought myself an Oxford Spartan Long jacket. So that's it there, the front. I went for, you can get it in all black or with the high vis, so I went for the high vis, safety first. So that's the front bit. And the rear, there you go. So I went for the long one, because you don't want a short trendy thing, you want to get maximum protection. So we're going to go for a spin and try it out in a minute. Right, I did order that jacket from Get Geared. Are they in Leatherhead? Get Geared? Anyway, Get Geared. They had one in stock, 99 quid. That was including delivery. Ordered it, it was in stock. And then I think it was a day or two afterwards I get the old email. We're having supply chain issues in our warehouse. There's going to be a delay, which basically means we haven't got it in stock. We'll wait for somebody to order something and then we'll order it from wherever we order it from. And there's obviously a problem where they order it from. So I told them, I didn't vent, but I told them, you know, if it's not there, don't bloody advertise it. Or if it isn't there and you have to order it in, let us know, because, you know, it was going to be nearly 2 weeks before I got it. So I asked for a refund. They were extremely sorry. So I ordered one from Oxford themselves. 2 days it was here. So yeah, if anybody knows anybody at Get Geared, don't put stuff showing as in stock and then it not be in stock, because it's a pain in the ass. Anyway, Spartan Long jacket, happy days. Right then, I'm going to cable tie my little basket on, and then we're going to go and get some milk from the fresh milk vending machine, because it's bloody lovely. Just wrapped some thin strips of inner tube which I had, just wrapped it round just to give it a bit of cushioning, and then I can get the rack on now. I tell you, this could have been bloody made for this rack. There you go, that just takes a bit of the wiggle out of it now. It's going to cable tie that on, and then we'll go and get some milk and I'm going to try the jacket out. And there we have it, folks, a factory fitted front basket. Just use cable ties. You would never know as I'm zooming past at 35 miles an hour. Looks really good, really good. I tell you, that could have been made for that rack. I say, I'll put the details down below, I think, or I'm going to put a picture in the video. But yeah, really bloody good. I haven't got a clue what I'm going to put in it, but I just wanted the full OAP look, and I'm very happy with that. And I've made a pattern to make a plate, which I can put behind there and bolt on, but cable ties doing the job. Right, the peeps, let's go and hit the streets. Right, Gary Martin. Hello, Gary Martin, representing the Stourport Massif. This next bit is for you. Decent sunglasses, Gary Martin, with the straight edge going in. 9 quid off Amazon, and the brand is Verdster. Verdster. Yeah, really nice, really comfy. So, time for the heads up. I don't know why I didn't think of that, but thank you from the Stourport Massif. Boom. Right, let's get this baby going and test this jacket. I have remeasured the circumference of the rear wheel and programmed it into the bike computer, so we'll have to see what happens, see if it makes any difference, see if it tallies up. Right, switches off, petrol on, bit of choke. Up. Let's go. I've only gone about 500 yards and all the early indications suggest this jacket is brilliant. Really good. Oh, that wasn't in first gear. Yeah, it just feels really, really nice. I'm 6'2", and this is the extra large. Perfect on the shoulders, perfect arm length, nice body length. Yeah, really, really pleased with it. So we're going to get some milk from the fresh milk vending machine, organic milk from Merryvale Farm, one of my clients with the NFU. Lucy and her organic cows with robot milking machines. Sounds more exciting than what it actually is, to be honest. Straight ahead we've got Pizza Hut, the shittest pizzas in Christendom. If you like Pizza Hut, you need your head read. They're bloody crap. Absolute shite. And I am a self-proclaimed pizza expert. I know my pizzas. There we've got the old market to my left, which is the named after the old cattle market which used to be there. Now I've got a retail outlet. A few of the shops from the town centre moved in there. Big Debenhams here on the corner, which is now empty. Gonna head over the old bridge, well, over the new bridge, then back over the old bridge. Show the jacket off to all and sundry. Look at me, fat guy in a white van there. Old city walls. Looking over towards the Black Mountains, Hay Bluff and all that over there. There's Vyazda. We've got the Black Lion pub just on the left before that yellow van. Quite a few ghosts going on there. I think it's about 1500s. Yeah, look at me. Thank you. Yeah, a few ghosts in the Black Lion. I think it's the oldest pub in Hereford. Maybe you're wrong. Orange Street dead ahead. Let's have a look down here. Let's have a look down here. Yeah, it's an oldie worldy part of the town. You've got the cathedral to my right, and Cathedral School. There you go, there's Hereford Cathedral. That's Edward Elgar, a statue of. There you go, big church. Not sure if you can come down here on a motorcycle. Okay, coming to the top of Ayleston Hill now, heading out of Hereford, and to my left we have Churchill Gardens, where all the students from the sixth form college go and smoke cannabis. I'm sure they eat food there, they probably consume drinks, and I guess sexual activities as well. God, I'm so ignorant. College over there, where they probably learn stuff. That's when they're not smoking cannabis, eating food, drinking and having sex in Churchill Gardens. Right, let's go get some milk. Oh-hey! Right, here we are at the Milk Marketing Board. Merivale Farm Organic Milking Machine. And this is Legs, they do bloody lovely stuff here. Merry Milk. There it is. I'm going to get me some of that. Right, so there we go, folks. Ride done. Jacket, brilliant. Speedo works from the cycle computer, tallies up with that. Turn that off. Front basket, well snappy. Does not have help with acceleration and overall top speed. So yeah, very pleased with that. Just need to see now, check the video to make sure that the tape around the lens cover has worked. Right then, Aidan's washing his car over there. There it is, Caden. You know the drill, like, subscribe, drop a comment. Yeah, if you got anything to say, please say it. Like, subscribe, share the love and all that malarkey, and hopefully next weekend I will be doing some bicycling. Right, in a bit, peeps.